All the Amazon lockers. You just put your code in here or scan whatever you need to scan. For this whole wall, this is really the laundry room. Amazon has this whole wall here just for the lockers. And then you run into the laundry facility, laundry area, and then your few chairs, and you see all the dryers and the boxes that Amazon, UPS, and some Temu deliveries use. Somebody just dropped this box off right here for somebody because it wouldn't fit in the locker. And some of these boxes probably could fit in the locker, but if it's the larger ones are full, you can't fit there. So everybody's boxes are piling up on the floor. Some they'll go through your boxes if you don't go ahead and go get your boxes. My large box was in this corner, and I didn't know from what I had ordered that time. I didn't know it was in that corner, and the other box was in the locker. It was propped up. You couldn't see it when you walk in, but, I didn't know it was in this corner like these boxes are. Mine was the only one in the corner. I just got my one box out of my one package out of it was actually in a locker. So it looks pretty clean than it used to look. It used to be really, really messy in here. In the winter, it's really, really cold. In the summer, it's sweltering hot in here. So maybe people will come get their packages eventually. They send an email out for people to come get them because they're piling up.